welcome to Splash Island Water Park at Wild Adventures in Valdosta, Georgia. We're ready to get this thing started with Water Park Week that we're doing here on the channel, the first annual Water Park Week. Super excited to bring you guys here. We're gonna get on all the slides that we can, have some fun. It's super hot out here, have a great time. With that being said, let's go have ourselves an adventure. It is very, very hot here. So I'm going to hop into the lazy river first and kind of cool off a bit and then go around to some slides. Here we go, just hopping on in. You could wait for a wrap, but I'm just going right into it. Feels good, it's not too cold. It's like everybody got the tubes already, so I'm just kind of walking it. In a lazy river again since the opening day of Whitewater. Man, super nice. They got music here playing over yonder. Also this cover here, super nice. I've been wanting to go to this water park since last year. Make sure you guys check out that vlog from the reopening week of the 2020 season last year. Super fun. We will be back here to do Wild Adventures proper again, but for now, we're hitting the water park. So I don't know how many slides or anything are here, but we're gonna find out soon. Just kind of get in the lazy river and get a lay of the land. All right, so the floor is burning, so that felt good to, you know, get my feet wet. So we're gonna go around to the, over this bridge right here in front of me and kind of go around to see some other slides. Oh my goodness. There's so many big slides in the wave pool. Oh my goodness. Let's go check it out. So there are some things that a lot of things I can do solo, but there's some things I have to wait and do with somebody else. Hopefully there's like a single rider and somebody can hop on there with me, like a party of 3 or something, and the other person can join me. We shall see. To my left you can see the wave pool right here. Catch a Wave Bay right there, but I'll get in that a little bit later on. I'm gonna try to hit up one of these bigger slides right off the bat, right after that lazy river stint, and go from there. It's so hot. We are in South Georgia. It is hot. All right, it looks like we're gonna venture up here. This is one of the tallest ones I've seen here at this park, so I'm gonna check it out. This is Bonsai Pipeline. Go figure. We're gonna go give this a try. The wait's not too long, but let's hike up these stairs and give it a go. There are 3 different ones here, as you can see. 1, 2, and 3. Not sure which one. Probably this green blue one. Let's go see if we're gonna give that one a go first. I am taking a break here on these stairs for a bit because the stairs are super hot as we are venturing higher and higher up. All right, so you can see 3. This is the shortest one, the second, and then the tallest one. We're going on the tallest one first. Look how high up we are. We're at the highest point of the water park. Giving this a go. Ooh, super crazy, super crazy. Let's do it. This view though. Here we go, we're about to go. Here we go! Ooh. Oh my goodness. That was super crazy. Oh my goodness. Kind of started out slow, but that was excellent. That was epic. Man, the air time right here before you drop is insane. And you like really hit this water at such a speed. I think I'm gonna go to the second one, the green one right here. Give that one a go. And these are the tallest ones at the park. I will say, as I'm walking back up, I wish that I could put this in my pocket. I don't want to lose it though. I wish that they had the code ones, but those kind of mess up a lot. So I got the key I got on my wrist as I'm venturing around this park doing some water slide action. All right, did that one last, doing this one next. I think I'm gonna skip this one and try some other slides. Here we go. Here we go. That was not bad at all. I actually like that one more than the other one, the taller one. That one has 2 pops of airtime. Absolutely insane. I recommend that one highly. That was awesome. What'd you guys think? Hot, 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 hot. Okay, so there's Hakini Rapids and Kona Cliffs right here. I wonder if I can give this a go. They're raft rides and I'm by myself. Oh, we're gonna see. So yeah, the rapids, I need a family to go with, but I'm gonna go on these tube slides right here, kind of backed up. Yeah, give this a go. So this park actually is a lot smaller than how it looks. It's nice though, because apparently there's not many things I can do around here solo dolo. So I'm gonna do what I can and then do what I can do over and over, and also hit up this wave pool. Raft acquired here for Kailani Blasters. Gonna give it a go. There are 2 different slides here, like a orange and a green one. Does not matter which one. See, they have double and solo tubes right here. Kind of backed up, but again, there are 2 slides right there. Woo! Super excited. There we go. Woo-hoo-hoo! Ooh, it's dark in here. It's dark in here. Ah! I don't know which way I'm going. What is going on? It's so dark. Oh my goodness, what is going on? Oh, here's some light. And the drop. Alright, since the line's moving rather quickly, I'm gonna go back. I could not see anything the whole time. So I went on this one in the far left right there. It's dark all the way through. I'm gonna try the orange one, but that was crazy. You guys saw I couldn't see anything in there. And you didn't know if you were going left or right, but it was actually pretty fun. Let's go give these other ones a try, see which one's the best. There we go. Such a beautiful day. Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh my goodness. Ah! Whoa! What is going on? Ah! Oh, you kind of fly off the edge here. Oh, in the splash. Here we go. Woo-hoo-hoo! I wiped out. I wiped out there at the end. I like that one a lot more. You kind of fly off the edge of it. And this is the crazy thing now. All the slides are super backed up because everybody is out of the wave pool now. So they're getting food right now and on other slides while we walk around and try and find what we're gonna do while they clean us up in the meantime. All right, it is super hot. So this to my left is the toddler area only for kids. If I had Bryson with me, I could go do it, but they have these right here that I believe I can get on. So something else I can do. So this one is the Kailani Twisters. Sorry if I butchered that, but I'm gonna get on, give it a go, and get on some slides since I can't get on the raft. I'm gonna get on this one and go from there. You can see Kailani Twisters. There we go. Body slide complex. There we go at the top. You can see more of the kids area. Typhoon Twister, my favorite coaster here. And then here we go. Here we go. Since I'm by myself, I can kind of skip the line. All right, just waiting. Beautiful day. And we're off. I'm going so slow. It's better sitting up. Ow! That was super slow. Of course, it's probably for like kind of a middle tier one from the kiddie one, so to help them out. But we did it. We got the slide credit. It was fun though. Oh my goodness, they opened the wave pool back up. So we're about to get in it finally. My feet are burning. Oh my goodness, let's get in it. Relax a little bit. Look how beautiful of a paradise this is. Catch a wave bay. And this water is super, super warm. Like, it has to be in the 70s, which isn't bad, but it's a hot day today. So I kind of wanted to be cooler, but we're here. I haven't seen waves earlier, but we're gonna wait to see if there are some waves. This one's crazy. You can go all the way up to about 5.5 feet. Go all the way up there. 6 feet on the other side, but we're here in the 4 feet range, so check it out. Beautiful day. So this may be the last thing of the day here for me at Splash Island. Such a beautiful water park. Not the biggest. There are 2 things I can't do because of I'm by myself, so that stinks, but we got on a lot of things more than once. That was really fun, but we're just gonna enjoy the wave pool. Hopefully some wave action happens. Well, hey, push come to shove, we got ourselves a nice pool here. It's nice to be in a pool here in summertime 2021, but hopefully some waves happen, like I said, and Catch a Wave Bay. I mean, look at the name. There should be some waves. The waves are starting. Slowly but surely. You can see the waves are starting up. The little buzzer just went off. Here we go. You can see it got a lot busier here in the wave pool, but very beautiful. I love how far up you can go. Like I said, I'm in the 5 feet range and then goes all the way to 6. all the way back there. It's got super crowded here. Super crowded. So I got a little too crowded. Only had mini waves. No big waves as of now. If they do, I'll hop back in, but as of now, yeah, a little too packed up there for me. Just appreciating how beautiful summer is and a beautiful day. They do also, I want to mention, they do have movies here in the wave pool straight ahead. Like they put up the screen and whatnot that you can watch. It's called Splash Island Dive-In Movies. That happens, I think, every Friday in July, something like that. So yeah, it's almost coming to a close here on the first annual Passholder Waterpark week. But yeah, super nice out here. Beautiful day. Everybody enjoying. I had a fun time. I just wanted to mention yet again, I'm thankful so much for you guys, for all the support. We're gonna have a fun week here with, like I said, Water Park week here on the channel. Slash, one of the days this week is actual National Water Park Day. So you guys are amazing, and we are almost at 3,000 subscribers. So make sure you hit that subscribe button if you guys are new. This is a lot of fun to be out here and do this for you guys. I'm glad you guys are receptive and have been enjoying it. That was fun getting out the wave pool right here. Man, nice to be in there. Like I said, kind of warm water, but the lines for food super backed up. But I believe we're gonna call it a day here. Do like that wave pool though. Needs some waves though. Real quick, probably one of the most popular areas, this little kids area, like tiki themed, very nice. Wow. That's pretty amazing, but busiest area, of course, with all the little ones here. What's crazy about this area too is that it has all these cool slides and the coldest water here at the whole water park. It's nice, but for the little ones, it is freezing. It is freezing out here. Oh, and this is awesome. Free water right here for any guest to the water park. All right, time to return my key back into wave gear from my locker. Just wanted to say this was super cool. I turned in my key and they gave me adventure bucks that I can use here at Wild Adventures, not for tickets or season pass or anything, but for anything else here at Wild Adventures theme park. That is amazing. And with that being said, that'll do it for me today here at Splash Island at Wild Adventures in Valdosta, Georgia. Had an amazing time here today. Really, such a beautiful park. Not the biggest though, not the biggest. I want to know what you guys think of this park. At the end, we're gonna rate and rank these theme parks at the end of the week. Super fun, I cannot wait. But guys, make sure you guys subscribe if you guys are new. We're gonna come back and do Wild Adventures, the theme park again, proper like we did last year. Please check out that vlog if you have not seen it yet. But I had an amazing time once again. Hopefully you guys enjoyed yourself. Make sure you subscribe if you are new and give the video a big thumbs up. Till my next video, my next adventure, take care, be well, and have a thrilling day. I did find myself a raft right here. And there's one in front of me for you guys. So if you enjoyed the video, you can support the channel via Patreon, where we have all new live streams and exclusive content and giveaways that are dedicated to the patrons on the exclusive Miguel the Annual Passholder Patreon page. And also, if you like looking nice, you can support the channel via our merchandise shop at annualpassholder.shop. You can find amazing t-shirts and hoodies, such as this one, that you guys can purchase for the low. And feel free to hit that subscribe button and turn it from red to gray, and like this video if you enjoyed yourself. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys so much, and have a thrilling day.